Dozens of D.C. area attorneys are taking their courtroom battles outside the courthouse. They're competing to feed area families in the annual Food from the Bar campaign, and the proceeds go to the Capital Area Food Bank. Nancy Roman, the CEO of the organization, and Dick Thornburgh, former U.S. Attorney General and former Governor of Pennsylvania, joined me this morning to talk about this competition. And first off, we want to say the former Attorney General thrilled at Kwaise's selection. Yale, your alma mater, but you say your grades were nowhere near his, right?
I would not want to compete with him.
Well,
hats off. That's a wonderful.
You are in a very unique competition. And Nancy, you were saying before we started this conversation that the timing of this month-long competition between law firms is very important. Why?
Yeah, well, you know, two reasons. One, people give a lot during the holiday season, and children have a means of getting food through schools. But in the summertime, it's really tough because kids who are out of school still have the requisite need for good nutrition. And so the Capital Area Food Bank works to provide summer meals through parks and recreation centers and other venues. And this campaign will really go to fund those meals.
Mr. Attorney General, tell us how this works, a competition between law firms?
Well, lawyers are pretty competitive
Yes.
as a group, so you don't have any trouble getting people juices going and try to get them going. This campaign, Food from the Bar, as indicated, is indicating the organized bar's response to a very felt need in this community. We have the highest per capita needs in the country in this area, and I think everybody's very enthused about the notion of helping people in need. But there's also a good, healthy competition induced, too, and we have to take advantage of that. 1
in 3 children in our area go to bed hungry. How much money are you trying to raise, and what else will you be doing for the Capital Area Food Bank?
Well, we hope to raise through this campaign $200,000. And I'll say these competitions happen all over the country. And the biggest are in California. And we hope over time to eclipse California because Washington has more lawyers per capita than any city in the country. But what we'll do with the funds, the Capital Area Food Bank is the region's largest hunger organization. So we are providing meals to senior citizens. You know, we're providing food to children through the summer program. We're doing nutrition education. We supply the food to 500 partner organizations all across the region. A lot of the big ones you know really well, DC Central Kitchen, Martha's Table, Food for Others, but also many small churches and synagogues and YMCAs that are serving the hunger community.
Nancy Roman and Dick Thornburgh, thank you very much. Healthy competition going on from August 28th through May 30th, all to benefit the Capital Area Food Bank and the families in our Washington, D.C. area. Mike?
Good luck. What a great